How to stop losing hair? I get this question from my patients regularly during my consultation. I'm a GP, trained in England and working in the Midlands. I have seen that hair loss could lead to anxiety, low mood, and social withdrawal for some patients, irrespective of age, gender, job, and social situation. Hair loss could affect a person's life very severely. However, if we know what is going wrong in our body to worsen hair loss, we can focus on the cause and manage the issue much better. I want to give you some evidence based medical advice to efficiently manage or reduce hair fall. Before we go any further about the cause of hair loss, it is worth knowing the basics. For that, I would like to explain the life cycle of the hair and what amount of hair fall is expected. Not worry, it is not a boring long talk of the basics. Our hair naturally grows from a follicle. Our hair has three phases in its life cycle. The first phase is a growing phase. Hair grows slowly during this phase. This is about 3 to 6 years. The second phase is the shrinking phase, which takes around 2 to 3 weeks. During this phase, the growth stops, follicles shrinks, and the follicle loses its hair. The third phase is the resting phase when the follicle rests for 1 to 4 months. At the end of this phase, new hair will grow from the follicle. About 10% of hair follicle will rest at any period. So, it is normal to lose between 50 and 100 hairs a day. However, if you know you have sudden and excess hair fall beyond your normal hair shedding pattern, you better find the cause and work on it.
What causes hair loss? There can be various reasons for hair loss, including genetics, poor nutrition, certain medical conditions, hormonal changes, stress, and chemical. The first cause is poor nutrition. This is the main reason for hair loss. A balanced and nutritious diet is vital for maintaining healthy hair. Protein. Hair is made up of protein called keratin, so it's essential to have enough protein in your diet to support hair growth. The recommended amount of protein required for an adult is 0.8 gram per kg of your weight per day if you don't have any ongoing medical issues. The second is iron. Iron deficiency leads to low blood count cells. Fewer cells carry reduced oxygen and nutrients to the hair follicles. This can lead to hair loss, so it's important to include iron rich food in your diet, such as red meat, poultry, fish, beans, and leafy greens. The third is vitamin D. Vitamin D helps the body absorb calcium, which is essential for hair growth. Good source of vitamin D includes sunlight, fatty fish, mushrooms, and fortified dairy products. Fourth is vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is vital for the health of red blood cell, which carry oxygen to the hair follicle and promote growth. Good sources of vitamin B12 include poultry, meat, dairy, and fortified breakfast cereal. The fifth is omega 3 fatty acid. Omega 3 fatty acid keeps hair soft and shiny. Good sources of omega 3 fatty acid include fatty fish such as salmon and plant based sources such as flaxseed and chia seeds. The sixth is biotin, which comes under the vitamin B family. It is a water soluble vitamin, which means it cannot be stored in your body. So we need to have biotin every day in our food. Some of the food that contain biotin are egg yolk, legumes, nuts and seeds, liver, sweet potatoes, mushroom and broccoli. If you cannot take these required nutrients through your diet regularly, it is better to take vitamin and iron supplements. So, which supplement to buy? Take regular vitamin D, vitamin B complex, biotin, iron, which you need to take along with the orange juice, and required amount of protein per day. So, how to choose vitamin supplements? When you buy any vitamin supplements, look for RI 100%. It will be in the product information. RI is the recommended intake. It needs to be 100% to give the entire amount of vitamin required on the day. Take home message. Best nutrients for hair includes vitamin B complex, biotin and iron supplements. In the next video, I will talk about what medical conditions affect your hair. If you like this video, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.